Hey guys, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in beautiful Los Angeles. We are just north of Hollywood and I am in my friend Mario's kitchen. Come in. Yes. We are going to be making some delicious vegan food. So for those who don't know Mario, this is Mario. He has a show called Trying Vegan with Mario. Why don't you tell us a little bit about you?
Yeah, my show is Trying Vegan with Mario and I'm just on this mission to learn as much as I can about how we can make healthy plant-based foods that taste absolutely delicious. And I'm always inviting different types of experts, chefs, and nutritionists to teach me their tips and tricks for how we can just take healthy food to the next level. So that's what I'm here to do today, is to teach you guys how you can take vegetables and turn it into a delicious cheese sauce.
All right, awesome. So let's just get right into it. So we're gonna be making a kind of veganized version of like my Baja fish taco recipe that I already have on my website. And so let's just get started. So Mario right over here is gonna show us how to make vegan cheese sauce.
Yes, vegan cheese sauce. And what we have right here is we have a boiled and sliced carrot and potato. And what we did earlier was we took a potato, a gold potato, we peeled it, we sliced the carrot, we put it in some hot water and we boiled it for about 5 to 7 minutes. And that's gonna get rid of some of the starch and bring it to a texture that once blended is gonna be very creamy. So we're just gonna add this to the blender. It's just a bunch of ingredients into a blender. We got garlic powder, onion powder, nutritional yeast, and we got 3 tablespoons of jalapeno brine, a tablespoon of tomato paste.
And that's gonna give it also a little bit of color.
A little bit of color. This right here, this is hemp protein. So on my show, I'm trying to get in the best shape of my life, eat a lot of healthy foods, and hemp protein is a very healthy fat and very high protein. So add a little bit of that. We got our jalapenos.
Oh, so it's gonna have a little bit of heat, which I really love.
A little bit of a heat. We got some olive oil right here.
And I feel like pickled jalapenos are not something everyone uses. Like I feel like you definitely should. So guys, comment below if you have used pickled jalapenos before. If not, you totally should. Like it just has the most amazing, like subtle, spicy flavor and that pickled flavor.
Love it. We got coconut milk, juice from 1 lemon.
Oh, perfect. That'll give it some acidity. Go.
The last ingredient right here is turmeric.
A favorite of mine. I love turmeric.
Favorite of yours?
Yes.
Really? All right, you're ahead of the game because a lot of people don't know about turmeric. On my show, I had this expert nutritionist. His name is Dr. Joel Furman, and he taught me about the properties of turmeric that are so healthy for us. So what turmeric does is it has something called curcumin in it. And curcumin is one of the most powerful things for binding to toxic metals in your brain and ridding your brain powerful. This is like anti-aging type of stuff right here. It's gonna help rid your brain of those toxic metals and help you stay younger longer. So my recipes are delicious, textured, flavored, but always got a little bit of a superfood health kick to it.
All right, awesome.
And that's it, just a couple of ingredients into a blender. Let's get this going.
And let's get the top right on there. And let's just blend that up.
Blend it up.
All right, I think that is done. Oh my gosh, look at that. Here you go.
Ready. All right, let's take a look on the inside and show that cheesy texture. Is it really possible to turn vegetables into cheese?
Let's see.
I'm gonna prove it to you guys right now. All right, let's see. Magical pour. Oh.
Ooh, look at, whoa, that really does look like cheese sauce.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so while you get the rest of that out there, we're gonna quickly make a cream, in quotes, sauce. So what we're gonna do is just some vegan mayo. Some olive oil mayo is really great. I think it just has lots of great flavor. Plus olive oil, I mean, I love it on everything. We're gonna also go in there with just a little bit of water. It's gonna help thin it out a little bit, make it more of a sauce. Then over here we have some vegan mayo, vegan yogurt. This is coconut yogurt, which smells exactly like regular yogurt. It's like the craziest thing. Then we're also gonna go in there with a little bit of salt. Let's grab some pepper, a little bit of lemon juice for some extra flavor. And yeah, that's super simple. Let's just mix that together and then we have ourselves a cream, in quote, sauce. Very easy. It's like a nice refreshing thing to top your taco with. All right, perfect. I think we are
That's
good.
it. Let's create some tacos.
All right, so let's make some tacos. I got a board over here.
All right.
And we've got some tortillas. So what I like to do a lot of times is actually put the cream on the bottom.
So a lot of times when you're making tacos, you gotta have your protein, you gotta have your base. What I like to do is I like to use quinoa. Quinoa is one of the highest protein foods. So a lot of times when you are eating vegan, it's harder to get protein. So I like to use a lot of quinoa. And now we're gonna move on to jackfruit. Now look at this right here. So this has this crazy meaty texture to it, but it's actually just a massive fruit, and you can season it just like you would your chicken.
All right, so let's get that on there. We're gonna have the avocado for some green. I'll top on here.
Time for the cheese, my favorite part of the recipe.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh, drizzle it right on top. And it spreads and it pours just like normal cheese.
Yeah, I see that. It looks like just like any other cheese sauce. There we go. All those colors. Also great when you're taking pictures on Instagram. You guys know how much I love taking pictures for Instagram. So all those colors is not only great, I'm sure for you, like they say, to eat the rainbow. So I think it's perfect. So yeah, Mario, thank you so much for showing me how to make these. I cannot wait to go home, make this for my family and try it. This was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Where can they find you?
Yes, check me out on Roku, Trying Vegan with Mario, or I'm about to start a YouTube channel. So
oh, awesome.
Check out Trying Vegan with Mario on YouTube as well.
All right, this was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment below. Have you ever tried vegan cheese before? Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know. I want to know down below. Also, hit that like button if you love fish tacos or any type of tacos, because everyone loves tacos. And be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to know when I post new videos. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.